Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here. Welcome back for another highlight. Yan. There's a new toy again at McDonald's Philippines. And it is no other than the Pokemon Match Battle Trading Cards. Yan. 10 toys to collect this time, or 10 trading cards to collect, or let me correct, about 40 trading cards to collect this time since each box contains 4 trading cards. So, ano makikita natin inside the box? So, here's the box. The instructions on how to play this one. The 4 trading cards. The interactive game online, meron na naman. And the flip coin. Yan. So, there are total of 5 characters in each set and 2 sets. By the way, yan. The red one, the set A, and the purple one, the set B. Yan. So, I'll just divide this video into 3 parts. First, I'll show you the closer look of each trading cards. Second would be on how to play the trading card game. And lastly, would be on how to play the interactive game. So, just stay tuned as I'll show you the gimmick of this month, or from the month of November to December, Happy Meal toys of McDonald's Philippines. So let's begin! Here's the first Pokemon, Quaxly, the water type Pokemon. Okay, so here's the set A, the red one, and the set B, the purple one. Okay. Okay, so first, let's compare the QR card that comes with it. Yan. So, as far as I know, it is packed randomly. Like this one, kasama dito sa A, is Quaxly, and here, C is Sprigatito. Yan. Okay. So, again, as I said earlier, I'll show you on how to play with this QR code later on this video. So, stay tuned. And for the flip coin, yan. So, kung anong nakalagay here sa card, same design. Okay? Okay, so let's begin with the trading card. So, first, for the set A, again, I'm not sure again if ever random cards po yung kasama niya. And ayaw niya magpakuha. Wait. Okay. So, here we go. For the set A, it comes with Cetodil, Pommy, and the hologram Pikachu. And last would be Blissey. Okay. And for the set B, ay siya magpakuha. Wait, ayan. So for the set B, here's Kirlia, Pommy, Kilowattrel, and si Titan na hologram. Yan. So, dito, same siya. Yan. I'm not sure on how many to collect sa trading card. So, let's see later on. Okay? So, let's move forward. Once again, here's Quaxly. Next would be si Titan, the A and the B. Okay, so first, let's compare the flip coin. Okay, so same again with the box. Yan. So different position. Then, the cards. Yan, so ito yung kasama. The QR cards. Si Titan, same dito. And for this one, si Sprigatito. And by the way, si Titan is a ice type Pokemon. Okay. And of course, the instructions. And so let's begin again for the trading cards. So first, here's Pommy again. Yan. Cyclizar. Okay, lago. Cloth. Yan. Na hologram. Nice. Mukhang mahirapan tayong i-collect. Hindi lang 40 na sabi ko. Sandaconda. Yan. And by the way, I'll show you lang pala yung pinaka-packaging niya. Yan, Pokemon trading card game match battle for additional game cards. Yan. And at the back part, gotta catch 'em all. Made for McDonald's 2023. Okay, yan. And for the set B of the Titan cards, again, it comes with a random cards. Yan. So, kung ano yung nire-review ko dito, baka magulat kayo, bakit wala si ganito, si ganyan. Since random po siya. Yan. So, let's hope na complete natin lahat ng cards. Then, here's Cetadil. Yan. Pomi again. Quaxly na hologram. Yan. And Kilowattrel. Think may mga doubles tayo. But later on, we'll check kung sino-sino mga doubles at if nakuha natin lahat sila. Yan. So, once again, here's si Titan. Next, here's Fuecoco, set A and set B. Okay, so here we go. By the way, Fuecoco is a fire type Pokemon. Yan. Actually, I'm not that familiar, kaya nag-research muna ako before reviewing, since ang familiar lang ako sa first generation, sila Charmander, Bulbasaur, and something like that. Yun. So, yan. Yan. For set A again, same design for the flip coin. Yan. Diba? Yan, sa mga OC medyo mahirap, diba? Like, ito na naman, iba na naman yung kasama na QR cards. Yan. Here's Sprigatito and Quaxly, diba? Then, yan. Manual instructions. And, yan. So, trading cards na. Yun, nakuha agad. Ever, you can trade with your friends if ever, diba? For the set A of cards, here's Pikachu hologram. Yan, same with the first one, diba? Sandaconda. Tandemaus. Yan. Bago yan. And Cetadil. Naulit na naman. Yan. Set B. Here's Anaconda again. Cloth. Oh, bago. Flittle. And Curlia. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. Once again, here's Fuecoco. Next would be Sprigatito, the grass type Pokemon. For the flip coin, here you go. Yan, same again. Set A and set B. Then for the QR, yan, QR, here's Pikachu. Both parehas siya. Cute. Yan. And for the instructions, isa lang kasi feeling ko hindi na nalabas. Sorry. Anyway, let's proceed. Here's the trading cards. Here's Sandaconda again. Oh, Tandemaus, Cetadil, and si Titan hologram. I think nakakuha tayo earlier nito. And next would be Sprigatito hologram. I think bago siya. Silisor, Flittle, Sandaconda again. Same. Diba? So, once again, here's Sprigatito. And last but not the least for the set, syempre of course, one of our favorite, Pikachu. Yan. Diba? So nice kasi actually first release I think ng Philippines na or Happy Meal sa Philippines na mag-release ng trading cards. Yan. So for sure mga trading card game collectors will be so happy, diba, for this one. And by the way, yung first release nitong trading cards sa USA, pinagkaguluhan at ang bilis na ubos. So alam niyo na, diba? So let's see kung magpapatok siya here sa Philippines. Yan. Okay. And yan, 'di ba? It reminds our childhood or reminisce, 'di ba? Tayo sa 90s or back 2000s yan. Sa mga batang 1994 diyan, hello. Yan. And of course, sa new younger generation. Yan. Here's the QR code na kasama. Okay? Again. Dito pa lang may kulang na agad tayo, 'di ba? So same. Okay. Then yun. And so medyo nakakausi lang since again hindi parehas yung magkakasama sa card. So if ever you're a collector, syempre, 'di ba? Gusto mo ma-complete rin yung all 10 or tama, all 10 or all 5, right? Like for this one, 'di ba? Ito siya. Okay. And actually, this is the fun in collecting trading cards since ayun nga yung purpose niya. If ever you have doubles, you can sell it or trade it with your friends or someone, diba? Yan. So that's the spirit of this one. Again, si Titan, Cetodil, Pomi, and Blissey, same. Yan. So later on, let's check on how many to collect, diba? Or we'll do research. Or if ever, let's assume na lang siguro. Yan. And here's Kirlia, Flittel, Blissey, and Pikachu once again. Yan. So same photo cards, or I mean trading cards. Yan. Okay. So once again, here's Pikachu. Yan. So, I'm now done showing you the closer look of each booster pack, diba? Yan, medyo na-OC ako. Since, again, diba, hindi nga siya magkakatulad. Like, the QR card na kasama and the box, yan. So, let's assume, diba, 10 booster pack to collect and each design. So, may 10 designs. May 2 each character, diba? So, yan. So, meaning, 10 dapat ito. Ang nakuha lang natin, I think, may mga doubles pa tayo and mga 5 lang. Diba? And, wait, there's more pa, actually. Since sa trading cards, diba, like, this one, meron pang Cetodil, like, Blissey, Pomi, and si Titan. Yan. So, good luck. Yan. Then, for the trading cards, yan. Let's assume then, yan, sorry, assume ang ginagamit kong term since I don't have the master list kung sino yung mga to complete all the set. Yan. So, yun. Yan. As far as I know, each card comes with the hologram and the regular one. Yan. So, each design possible, may regular siya and may hologram. Pero, as per observation naman, wala naman like walang naulit like si Titan na regular ako nakita or something na si Pikachu na regular. Maybe yun, siguro iba siya. I mean like medyo question mark tayo doon. But this one like si Pomi, Bliss, and Cetodil, yan. We're not sure yet if ever merong holograms, yan. So let's see if ever you pull a card or na different sa akin, kindly comment down below para alam natin, diba? So we can help each other to complete all the trading cards, okay? Okay. So I'll show you now the instructions, or I mean tell you on how to play the trading cards, okay? So let's begin. I'll just get the manual or the instructions. So as per written here, hand each player a card. Max of 4 players per pack. Yan. Youngest player goes first. Yan. So, magtanungan muna kayo ng edad. Then, play continues in a clockwise direction. So, you will assign each player na yan. So, ano siya? Like, opposite. Yan. So, ganito po siya dapat ang arrangement. Okay. So, wait. Later, I showed you here. And so, after assigning players, yan, choose randomly a card. Yan, siguro better naka-up siya. Then, pili siya kung sino. Then, ay mapupull niyang character. Yan. Okay. Then, here you go. Ganito po yung ayos niya. Yan. Okay. Then next would be get the flip card. Flip coin to see whether high or low coins. I mean, high or low wins. So, for the character 1, meaning high, and for the Pokeball means low. Okay. Later on, we'll explain it elaborately. Yan. So, wait lang. Yan. So, the corners, yan. Corners, pointing to the player determines the category of play. Yan. So, each, yan. So, for this one, isa-isayin natin. For the heart, this means the hit points. Okay. Yan. Yan. For the heart, hit points. For this, next one would be height. Okay. Then, each category comes with 8 points. Yan. Then, this is the reverse mode. Yan. Then, ito is the Pokédex number. Next. Here's the card number. The weight. Yan. So, yan. May kodigo ko dito. Yan. And, again, si hit points number 1. Okay. Yan. Okay. So, once na-flip natin to, yun, na-flip natin yan. Okay, yan. So, meaning, high. Then, if ever nakatutok sa akin, here, to. See? Wait, yan. Sorry, I'm not familiar with the Pokeball number 3, Pokédex number. So, we're going to play now the Pokédex number. So, meaning, we'll check all of our cards. So, whichever is the highest and lowest. And since nakuha natin is the highest, so, ayun yung mag-consider natin na mananalo. So, kung sino yung pinaka-highest na number doon sa Pokédex number will be the winner for that round. Okay? Yan. If ever na panalo, ano kayo, same, so panalo kayo, parehas kayong may points. Okay? And if ever, the first player to win 3 points wins the game. Okay? That's it. Okay. Yan. So, diba, late kanina, ito, diba? Yan. So, meaning, number 3, si Pokédex number. Okay. Pokédex number. Yan. So, pakita lang natin. Yan. Okay. So, si number 1, here's the hit points. Okay. Diba? Number 2, here's the weight. Yan. Weight yun. 5.5 pounds. Number 3, the Pokédex number. So, saan siya located here? 0921. Okay. 4 would be the height. Yan. 1 inch. Then, 5, card number. Card number. Yan, dito siya. Okay, card number. Here. 007015. Yan. Yan. By the way, kindly correct me if I'm wrong, ha? So, ayun yung pagkaintindi ko. Yan. So, again, so si Pokédex number tayo. Yan. So, Pokédex number. So, dito tayo magbe-base. 0921. Okay. So, again, the highest daw ang kukunin natin. So, ito yung card ko, ha. 0921 to. 0974. So, meaning mas mataas to. Ito yung panalo sa atin. Then, if we have to compare this one to other one, 0242, 0974, mas mataas to. And, here, 0975, 0974, mas mataas to. So, si Titan wins this category or this round. Okay? Hope you get it. Diba? So, again, next. So, like me again ulit, pinari. Flip, yan. Yan. So, heart. Heart ang natutok sa atin. So, we will base now on the hit points. Hit points. Then, located siya here. Again, this is my card. Yan. 60. 60. dito versus si Cetadil 100. So, talo na naman ako. Yan. So, Cetadil versus sorry, hindi ako talo. Wait. So, ano nga pala tayo? So, meaning ng Pokeball is low. So, meaning, yung pinaka-lowest. Yan. So, versus this one, ako ang nanalo. Since 60 lang ako, just siya 100. Okay. Let's compare this one with this one. DC, 150, 60 ako. Ako pa rin napanalo. Yan. And for si Titan, 180, 60 ako. So, I'm the winner for this category. So, 1-1. Yan. So, first player to get 3 points wins the entire game. Okay. Hope you get it on how to play this Happy Meal for the month of November to December. Or the Pokemon Match Battle. Okay. So, let's proceed by scanning this QR code na. Yan. So, if ever, ito yung sinasabi ko, Happy Meal Toys PH Group. Yan. See you here. Yan. We are 14.3 members here. Yan. Again, Happy Meal Toys PH. Okay? So, here, we'll have the we'll have the updates ng mga upcoming natin ng mga toys, and if ever mga exclusive toys sa mga for sale namin outside of our country. Okay, let's begin scanning the QR. Okay, yan. So, pwedeng dito or pwede sa card. So, let's choose na lang here. Hello. Okay, so yan. So, loading siya for a while. Yan. Yan, so Pokemon. So, if you remember, here's Pikachu. Sino nga ulit to? Sprigatito, the green one. Here's Quaxly and Fuecoco. Diba? Let's play. Warning. Okay. Yan. Nice. Yan, diba? So, pansin nyo, no, every Happy Meal release may ano na siya. May ganito na. So, let's play. Grand Camera Access. Allow. And, yun. So, let's choose this one, this card. Yun, confirm Pokemon. So, si Blissey. Yun, na-scan agad. Ang bilis. Diba? So, next. Yan. So, how to play? Drag or use keyboard controls to move puzzle piece, or drop or use keyboard controls to place puzzle piece. Let's play. Yan. By the way, this game is a puzzle. Yan. So, puzzle po siya. So, we have to drag this one. Yan. To corresponding yan, na pattern or kung saan siya dapat. Yan. So, parang it's a online puzzle game, diba? So, nakakatuwa. I'll just show you na yan, on how to play this one. Medyo mahirap. Tricky part tong puti. Oops, yan. So, pag mali, ganun siya. Yan. So, I'll just fast forward this one until makomplete ko, ha? Pero pakita ko sa'yo once na naka-combo. Yan. So, here's the sample. Nice. Yan. Next, super! Amazing! Again, this is the tricky part since wala siyang pattern, diba? Oops. Yan, so we've completed the puzzle. Yan, we're done. Yee! Yan. Done in 31 moves. Oops, napindot ko, sorry. So, yan. Yan, so that's how you play this one. Let's play. Let's play again. Wait, I'll show you, ha. Wait, let's fast forward this one. Yan, let's play. Grand Camera Access allow. Yan. Yan. No other cards. Tayo select Pokemon. Yan. So, yan, by the way, here's the other Pokemon. Yan, Sprigatito, Fuecoco, Quaxly, Cetodil, Titan Pikachu, Pomi, Kilowattrel, Flittle, Sandaconda, Cloth, Blissey, Tandemouse, Cyclizar, and Kirlia. Yan. So, I think here's the complete set of the QR code. Yan. So, if ever pwede tayo mag-base dito. So, it's either isang purple and isang red. So, ilan lahat siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, meaning 15 times 2 equals 30. Yan. So, 30. Yan. Then, for the trading cards, yan. So, I think here's the complete set naman na 15 siya. Diba? Yan, 15. Tama ba? 15? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Again, yan, 15. So, yan. Again, so, andito naman si Cetodil, right? Diba? Cetodil. Yan. So, like what I've said earlier, possible meron siya nung hologram. Yan. And for the hologram, pwedeng regular. So, meaning, 15 times 2, 30 to collect. Yan. So, sinabi ko kanina 40, hindi pala 40, 30 to collect. Yan. So, meron talaga tayong mga doubles sa mga kuha. And it's for us and gotta catch them all. Diba? So, yan. Again, 30 trading cards, 30 na ganito. Okay, nakakailan pa lang tayo later on. Bilangin ko na lang ulit. Okay. So, that's it. Yan, if ever, by the way, marami pa kasi siya. Yan, pure puzzle actually lahat yan. Siyempre, hindi na natin lahat papakita. Baka umabot tayo ng 1 hour for the video. Diba? So, it's up to you. Yan. And kindly, go to your nearest McDonald's na. Diba? Okay. So, that's it. Yan. So, we're done showing you the 3 parts of the video. The closer look of each cards, on how to play the trading cards, and how to play the interactive game via online. Okay? So, that's it, highlighters, diba? And again, syempre, before we end the video, which one is your favorite among all characters? 15 characters that we've shown you. Syempre, my personal favorite, syempre, and favorite naman natin lahat, si Pikachu. Pero for the new Pokemon, one of my favorite dito so far would be si Fuecoco. Yan. So sino si Fuecoco here? Yan. Diba? The Fire-type Pokemon. Okay. Yan. And once again, sa nasabi ko earlier, diba? 15 to collect or 30. And for the trading cards, it's either 15 or 30 rin. Yan. So, I'm not sure yet, 100%. Pero dito, yan again, I'm not sure yet 100% in short. Yan. So, kindly comment down below na lang kung medyo may tracker na tayo or may list na kung sino. Yan. Since medyo OC ako, siguro further details will be shown or will be cascaded in our group. Yan. So, collector ako. So, medyo OC ako sa ganyan. So, hindi tayo papayag na kulang tayo. And alam niyo naman, dapat tayong highlighters, hindi tayo magpapahuli at hindi tayo papayag for that. Okay? So, that's it, highlighters. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!